we introduce Web Badminton, a decentralized application which we built with interplanetary file storage and smart contracts on Polygon. Badminton boosts your overall health and offers significant mental health benefits. Doing sports makes you happier and less stressed. As statistics show, increased screen time, which leads to mental health problems, also obesity, sleep problems, chronic neck and back problems, depression, anxiety, and lower test scores. We consider it's very important to educate users on how to do sports, and particularly how to play badminton. We think that sports are great for your physical health. Badminton has lots of psychological benefits. As you can see, we're avid fans of badminton and sport in general. We provided a post on how to choose badminton racket, and we also introduced the key brands in the sport. We've come to the most interesting part of our application, is where you can actually choose a badminton racket and mint an NFT representing the physical item. First, a user connects to the MetaMask. User can actually purchase an NFT of a selected item, which we will display on OpenSea, on testnet on OpenSea. As you can see, we have an ERC 1155 collection on OpenSea. The blockchain transaction has synchronized with OpenSea, and now you can actually see the purchased item in your collection, which you could exchange for a real item.
If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. You can also vote for our project using the link in the description.